business.
All right, if you want a piece of this, it's yellow cake inside, but we have chocolate cupcake. So you can pick a chocolate cupcake. Okay, I'll ask you what you want.
Partner, can I just... Mitchell, what do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know. Maybe help you.
Napkin, sir.